How to fix PlayStation account banned unexpectedly. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply check your email notification. Look for an official email from Sony specifying the banned reason and the duration, right? So after doing that, if that did not help, or if you know now the exact answer, now you can try to solve the issue, right? So after doing that, now you can check the payment chargebacks to ensure that all of the bank did not ensure that your bank did not initiate a chargeback for a PS Store purchase. This actually triggers an automatic safety ban, so make sure that it's not the issue. And another thing is pay the debt balance. If it is banned due to the chargeback, purchase PSN debt restoration vouchers via PlayStation support. You can, in order to restore the account, so you can pay the debt balance out like that. So after doing all of that, if that did not help, then lastly try to submit a safety ban appeal. You can submit an appeal through the official PlayStation suspension page. I'm pretty sure that will help you fix the issue.